got the radio up. The sun is going down.
Wait a
I'll
minute.
take a left eye.
Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to GreeneyedBrollin. Today it's more like the red eye. It's gonna be rolling tonight. This morning. It is going on 2 a.m. here on the East Coast. I had to do a 10-hour break here at the shipper. I'm at Georgia Pacific in Mount Gillette, something like that. I'd have to look it up. Oh man, it has been raining for like 4 days straight. It has been raining all night long, most of yesterday, and as you can tell, it is taking a toll. I am not feeling the best. Even my lower back has been stiff. Doing all the coughing, I can feel it in my chest, my lungs, my sinuses are all stuffed up. Anyway, I am getting ready to head on down the road. I'll kick off my pre-trip here in a minute. Heading to Rhode Island. Yay! Never really wanted to go to Rhode Island. Well, I've been there. I've been through every state but Maine. In my past years, I've had enough of the East Coast. New Jersey, New York, Providence. Not really, to me, truck friendly. Traffic sucks. People are rude. People deliberately try to crash into you because they know you got money or the company has money. People will break into your truck and try to steal your stuff. It's happened to me while I was in bed. All of a sudden, I hear the door open. The truck rock at first rattles me. I open my eyes, I listen. All of a sudden I hear the door pop, opened up, the cab light came on. And what had happened was a lot lizard, hooker, that's what we call them, saw my wallet was in the cup holder and she grabbed that and ran. By the time I jumped out, threw some pants on, threw my boots on, grabbed my mag light, I had looked in the mirror just in time before I was able to get all my clothes on, and she dove underneath the trailer next to me. So luckily I was able to recover everything but the cash. With jokes on her, less than $20 worth of cash on me. Not really looking forward to this trip to Rhode Island, but mainly just because I need also gotta get rid of this. I need drier air, people. This Arizona body needs drier air. But things have been good. Things have been good here at the Black and Chrome. Another very prosperous week. I grossed the truck grossed in this past week, not even including this next trip right now, which is why my fleet manager said, oh well, you have basically there's only two choices. Go to Albany, New York, or Rumford, Rhode Island. And once he saw the Rumford, Rhode Island was paying out pretty good, he was like, well, that's the one you're going to get. So that's, kind of what I get for volunteering to stay out on the weekends. If I got hours, I keep running. Last week, I had a restart in Arkansas. Wasn't too bad. But like I said, trying to get. I still have 30 hours on my log, so I haven't been running too hard. The last 2 days has actually been spent better of 2 days ago. Yesterday was just a couple hours of drive and unload, and then another 2-hour drive to get here. Day before that, spent most of the day getting loaded, driving 60 miles, and then sit in a fleet of other trucks to get unloaded. It was a kind of a cluster, but paid great, so keep that in mind. You don't get paid by the hour unless you're getting detention pay, which they'll send you messages, hey, we know that you've been there, start filling out macro 26 with detention pay. Well, all right, I'll do that. So I still got 30 hours before today. I gotta drive close to 9 hours to get to Rhode Island. And then offload, and I'll probably have to stay there. They have parking, supposedly, hopefully, because it's Friday. It's gonna be hard pressed in Rhode Island to get me a spot somewhere at a truck stop. So I'm hoping that whatever trip after this, they set me up, I could get picked up on Saturday. And get picked up on Saturday and roll for the day, get parked up somewhere, sit, maybe delivered Monday, get a restart in. If not, I'll be getting hours back, so hopefully he'll see that, the planner will see that, and just keep me running, get another load in, get another load on Sunday. Hopefully we can head south toward Florida, grab a load out of the Georgia yard. How about that? That'd be great. Then take a load down in Florida, spend Monday in Florida. That'd be cool. Heaven for Betsy, I'd be like, oh, I gotta do a restart in Florida. Luckily I got a swimsuit, towel, sunscreen, Uber, take me to the beach. That's how you do it nowadays. Years ago I had to get a taxi cab. They charged a little bit more. But anyways, I better get moving. I need drier air. I'm dying here, people. Get it stop raining. Truck's getting nasty. Max is dirty. Max needs a shower worse than me. I had one yesterday, so I'm good. shaved the head. I'm gonna start growing a little bit, get a little scruffy. We'll see. Alright, YouTubers, GreeneyedBrollin. Time to go rolling. Talk to you later.